Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Toyl. This is the December box, so this box will be available on the 1st of December. So if you want to see what's inside in this box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Toyl December 2021. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a beauty monthly subscription box. I think this is more premium one because it costs you £35 a month including the shipping fee, but I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, and you will receive this box for only £30 including the shipping fee, which is not bad. And this subscription box aim more women over 40, but as I said in my previous video, the products that I received from this subscription box, I use them every day, every single time. When you open, it looks like this, and it says Toyl, beautiful life, welcome to this month Toyl box, we hope you love it. And then we have the tissue paper, and then you will receive your booklet, and it says welcome to Toyl's December box. So this month theme is the showstopper. December is a very special month to many of us, and this box reflects that very special products for you, are very special subscribers, created to uplift the spirits and help you look incredible. I hope you love the contents and brand in this gorgeous box. Karen, which is the founder of Toyl, and then you will have your list of the product with description and prices. Let's start. So the first one here is from Mark & Spencer, in collaboration with Mark & Spencer, Meno Glow Hot Flash Cool Fix Serum. So yes, it's a full size. This one is retail for £28 and has 60 ml, and it says Pry is award-winning beauty created for you and me. This is their Meno Glow range, so even more relevant, but don't get caught in the Meno reference. This product delivers cooling skincare that is packed with hyaluronic acid to plump skin and smooth fine lines. Don't forget, Pry made its name with a product that made a visible difference in just 7 days. And this facial serum is one of their best. So yes, inside in this, very big product. And then you will receive in this box from Gatineau. We received few products from this brand, and this brand is really good. Quite expensive, the products, but they are very good. And this is the exfoliating body polish. It has 200 ml. I hope you can see it. And this one, it's retail for £29, and it says, if you got dry, parched skin, this body polish is your new best friend. Formulated with AHA ceramides, something we will talk a lot more about in 2022, and antioxidant to slough away dead skin cells. This polish will reveal a smoother, softer texture and restoring a radiant glow. And then in this box also you will receive from Read, and this is the I Need a Hero Wonder Balm hair primer. It has 75 ml. Few products from this brand is my favorite. I use them every time. And this one is retail for £19. Wow. And it says this award-winning hair primer elevates at-home styling to salon standards. The lightweight leave-in balm improves all hair types, perfecting every strand from root to tip, creating a flawless foundation for healthier looking hair and longer lasting style to smell. I can smell from here, love, it smells gorgeous. Read products smells really nice. Oh, smells really gorgeous, lovely. I really love the smell. And then you will receive also from L'Oreal, and this is their neck mask, freeze and smooth, skin tightening and hydrating biocellulose mask with Cinec, dipeptide and forming wet proteins. Here we go. You have, it's a full size too. And this one, it's retail for £8.50. And it says, I've got 2 sparkle outfits at the ready, and this mask is perfect for giving me a bit of a boost around the neck, having neglected the sunscreen on this area for too many years. The amino acid and wet proteins help tense and tighten skin, giving your neck a visibly lifted appearance. Yes, sometimes we neglect our neck, but I usually, when I put my cream on, I usually apply it on my neck too. I don't usually use neck cream. I usually use my day cream or night cream on my neck. So yes, and the last product in this box is one of my favorite brand, and this is from Floral Street, the Iris Goddess perfume. And I don't know if it's a full size. Looks like full size. It has 10 ml and it's rated for 24 pounds. The packaging, lovelies. Love the packaging. Very chic packaging. Oh, it's quite tiny. Oh my god, the smell. It's floral scent, which is one of my favorite scent, floral. And definitely I will use it. It's not really overpowering scent. It's a quite mild scent. Subtle scent. Oh, refreshing scent. I really like this one, and it says vegan, unisex, groundbreaking, recyclable packaging, and simply very cool. This fragrance from award-winning Floral Street is perfect as your treat to self this Christmas. A powdery soft cypre floral exploding with violet, black vanilla carries an exotic depth, while sparkling lemon zest and red chili pepper add a jolt of life. An adventure in a bottle. Who doesn't want that for 2022? Love the scent. Oh my goodness, I really love the scent. So that's all for this one. Let's do a recap. So you will receive like a travel size, I think, because it has 10 ml, the Floral Street Iris Goddess, and then you will receive the Royal neck mask. And then you will receive also from Gatineau the exfoliating body polish, from Persianre the I Need a Hero Wonder Bomb hair primer. It says this multitasking miracle leave-in hair primer smooth each hair strand for beautiful alignment, which helps give you deep breath, moisture, enhanced shine, smoothness, root boost, definition, softness, light hold, high humidity, protection, and manageability. However you style your hair, this lightweight primer will ease and speed up the styling process, giving you greater control and better, longer lasting result. Perfect. Ooh. So yes, and then you will receive also from Pride in collaboration with Mark & Spencer the Meno Glow Hot Flash Cool Fix Serum. So yes, that's all, lovelies. And this month it's worth 108 pounds and 50 pence, which is not bad considering this one it's only 35 pounds or 30 pounds if you use my code. So yes, that's all, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Are you excited to receive this box? Are you thinking to subscribe? If yes, the link, all the details will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.